When we meditate and look deep within ourselves, we also experience something, that is, the truth. People say that all the answers we seek are already inside us. This is true. If you quiet your mind and find inner peace while meditating, and if you open your heart with love, you will start to catch a glimpse of the truth. The truth is what is real. Once we become aware of our true nature, which is purity, we begin to recognize the truth about ourselves. Our purity has been influenced by external factors, but deep down, every soul is pure. Purity means being free from negativity. The original and natural state of the soul is not of anger, guilt, and sadness, but it is of peace, love, purity, happiness,